விருதுகள் வழங்கிய சிறப்பு விருந்தினர்களுக்கும் விருது பெற்றவர்களுக்கும் நம்முடைய நன்றியையும் பாராட்டுதலையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம்.
Now we are going to laurel our winners of 30-50-year art, science and skill exhibition who have opened up their creative and innovative ideas through their exhibits. Now we start with the students of class 4. Arpuda 4th B, Hemamalnia 4th B, Harinya 4th C, Venisia 4th C, Rakshana 4th F, Abhilasha 4th G, Mohammad Ashifa 4th F, Yuvaraj M of 5th E, Shiren Raj of 5th G, Arul Jodi of 5th F, Kashika of 5th F, Sweda of 5th F, Lokesh of 5th F. Vishal T, Arshini A of 5th E, Bharat of 5th F, Monash Kumar of 5th I, Niranjana of 5th G, Hari Prasad of 5th A, Hari Priyan of 5th A, Ramurjam of 5th A, Arjun of 5th A, Sharavana Priyan of 5th A, Ashwin T of 5th C, Kaushik of 5th C, John Matthew of 5th D, Kumaran of 5th D, Rudran of 5th E, Devadarshan of 5th B.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna
Sarvesh of 5th B, Dhanush of 5th A, Dinagar S of 5th A, Ritish Ram of 5th A, Kifa of 5th B, Samitra Mati of 5th B, Sudarshan of 6th I, Pradeep Sharan of 6th B, Saradi of 6th B, Yogesh of 6th G, Anbu Chelben of 6th B, Praveen Kumar of 6th F, Prem Vashant of 6th F, Rahul T of 6th F, Taranya of 6th E, Vimal of 6th E, Hatim of 6th I, Lakshmi Vasan of 6th I, Harini of 6th F, Nitishri of 6th F, Shantanisri of 6th F.
It's dark in here.
Jeeva Siddharth of 6th D, Mohammad Shahid of 6th D, Akash of 6th A, Jeeva M of 6th A, Maheshwaran of 6th I, Roshnika of 6th F,
Welcome.
Karthi Sen of 6th B, Priyadarshini of 6th C, Azan of 6th J, Leish of 6th J, Prajan Raj of 6th J, Bhuvanesh of 6th F, Krishna M of 6th F, Lokesh P, Faisal Hussain, Sai Sundarshan, Jay Vignesh, Madesh R of 6th I, Arish S of 6th H, Parthiban of 6th H, Kanishkar of 6th J, Praveen of 6th J, Sridharan of 6th J. Vishwa S of 6th J, Deepika, Jeetika T, Kavi Chelben, Parthiv Menon of 6th D, Yashwant of 6th D, Shagin of 6th D, Rohida of 6th I. Next we call upon the winners of Amalorpam Loots Academy onto the stage. Niteshri of 3rd A, Arishid of 3rd B, Arish Kumar of 3rd B, Sai Sharan of 3rd B, Akshay of 3rd D, Joshua of 3rd D, Yoganila of 3rd D, Nirmal Kumar of 3rd B, Lakshmida of 3rd C, Danisha of 4th A, Sanjita of 4th A, Mahadi of 4th A, Midubala of 4th B, Lokeshwaran of 4th B, Yarini of 4th D, Harihara Sudan of 4th D, Sugilan of 4th D, Kailash of 4th C, Hasini of 4th C, Nigaria of 4th C. Bharat VS of 50A, Tulasi Ram of 50A, Vedvika of 50A, Samit of 5th B, Dhanush of 5th C, Krishna Lakshmi of 5th C, Janu Preetika of 5th D, Sangeeta of 5th D, Shanganashan of 5th D, Hariharan of 5th D, Ashwant Krishna of 6th A, Vasan of 6th A, Litika, Sanjay, Naresh, Aishwarya Devi of 6th B, Priyadarshini of 6th B, Mrudula of 6th D, and Divya Bharati of 6th D, Reshma of 6th D, Divya Lakshmi of 6th D, Jeeva Prasad of 6th D, Akash of 6th D, Pavitran of 6th D, Sharon of 6th D, Anfal Aizriya of 7th B, Bhuba Ganesh of 7th B, Gokula Krishnan of 7th B, Vikash of 7th D, Yogeshwar of 7th D, Jayashri Varshan of 7th B, Jogindaran of 7th B, Shuhail of 7th A, Ishwares of 7th A, Hariharan 7th A.
Get down, down, down now. Take another sip of the premium. Let's keep the drama down to the minimum. Just turn the music up.
Next, let me call the prize winners of skill-based activities. Nandini R.
We need to find a little space. Take a load off. Take a little bit of time. Turn the heat up. Just send the tin man down. Blow the lid off. Down, down, down. Get down, down, down now. Put your hands if you feel me. Shout a little bit loud. Put your hands. You can't keep yourself from jumping around.
Now we are more honored to invite Sri V. Vaithalingam, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, Government of India, to reward the prizes, please. Nandini R for micro art, Dharmesh for micro art, Divagar of 6th G for creative art, Anish of 5th B for vegetable and fruit carving, Samiga of 5th C for Rangoli, and Tamil Alagi of 5th G for Rangoli and floral arrangement, Sweta for craft from waste, Anuksha for craft from waste, Rohita for tailoring, Monisha for tailoring, Narendra for sculpture. Siva Sudarshan of 4th year for sculpture, Surya Krishnan for micro art, Shanmuga Priyan for craft from waste, Hariram for vegetable and fruit carving, Janapriya for Rangoli, Jayasri for tailoring, Sogit for creative art, Savida for creative art. Kalai Vendan of 7th D, Krishna Kumar of 7th D, Ashwida of 7th K, Mohammed Afran of 7th G, Mohammed Imran of 7th G, Samina of 7th A, Valentine of 7th A, Rahul of 7th H, Harish of 7th E, Vigneshwaran of 7th E, Monish Raja of 7th D, Modishwaran of 7th D, Lokesh of 7th F, Painivel Rajan of 7th F, Kalpana of 7th C, Sharmila of 7th C, Rahul of 7th F, Dayanidhi of 7th G, Kavya of 7th C, Nadira of 7th C. Akash of 8th G, Karthikeyan of 8th D, Rohit of 8th N, Polil Amudan of 8th N, Jnaneshwaran of 8th L, Srikanth of 8th L, Jeevitha of 8th A, Shaktivel of 8th J, Kishore of 8th L, Shanmugapriyan of 8th L, Arshad Hasan, Prakash Raj, Bhuvan Maran, Joel, Karunya Selvan, Pradeep, Hariharan R of 8th L, Dharani of 8th C, Next, as a part of our 35th year celebration, the 11th Inter-School Quiz Competition was held on 29/8/19, Thursday. We are now awarding them the cash prizes. The first prize winners, Anirudh and Jeffrey of the study. The second place winners, Sivaguru and Ashavardhan of Petit Seminar. The third place winners, Dimtri and Bhavin of St. Patrick's. And the fourth place winners, Srinidhi, Diya Reddy of St. Joseph of Cluny. Then the senior level prize winners, Bharati and Ilam Kumaran of Petit Seminar. First prize goes to Bharati and Ilam Kumaran of Petit Seminar. Second prize goes to Rubini and Anidam of Chinnatha Government Higher Secondary School. Shruti Reddy and Arshini take place the third prize in the study Lekol. What about this one? Nearly 300 students from 25 schools took part in the competition. And now, finally, the rolling trophy goes to the school. Overall winners of the school, first place goes to the study, second place goes to Petit Seminar, and third place goes to St. Patrick's. In the senior level, the first place goes to Petit Seminar Higher Secondary School, second place goes to Chinnatha Government Higher Secondary School, and the third place goes to the study. finally, the rolling trophy of our 35th year celebration goes to the school, the Steady Lacole International. Next, we call the winners of Science, Arts and Skill Exhibition. Sanjay of 910, Damini of 9C, Francisca of 9C, Vishal of 9th I, Sethu Madhavan of 9th I, Abhirami of 9th F, Nandini of 9th F, Durvish Raj of 9th M, Akash of 10C, Umesh of 10C, Muledharan of 10th A, Santa Ruban of 10th A, Jaya Prakash of 10C, Raj Rahul of 10C, Ashwin of 10th F, Pavish of 10th F, Monica of 10th M, Ovi of 10th M, Gangesh of 10th D, Christian of 10th D, Vishnu Preeti of 10th N, Bhumika of 10th N, Kuvalarasi of 10th N, Sivasakti Balan of 10th C, Priyadarshi of 10th A, Sanjay of 10th A, Sri Raman of 11th M, Yogesh of 11th M, Arshini of 11th C, Sri Meenakshi of 11th C, Prakash Kumar of 11th E, Subhatra Devi of 11th C. Vishnu Priya D of 11th D, Anugraha of 11th I, Monica of 11th I, Shaktriyan of 11th C, Siva Lokesh of 11th D, Apsaruniza of 11th C, Varsha of 11th D, Grace of 11th C, Saubarnika of 11th C, Praveen Kumar of 11th G, Aravindan of 11th L, Muhammad Anis of 11th L, Pradesh of 11th D, Balika of 11th C, Kavya Priya of 11th C, Surya Varshan of 11th E, Rahul of 11th G, Sundara Vadivelan of 11th G, Rahul of 11th G, Sundara Vadivel of 11th G, Veeraya of 11th G, Infant of 11th C, Manibala of 11th C, Sivakumaran of 12th A, Vedavendan of 12th A, Dilipan of 12th E, Hariharan of 12th E, Midhun Chakravarti of 12th G, Niyaz of 12th G, Vignesh S of 12th J, Yuvarajan of 12th J, Dhananjayan of 12th I, Vijay Kumar of 12th I, Anusha of 12th G, Anusha M of 12G, Nikita Kannan of 12B, Sri Devi of 12B, Francis of 12I, Susidharan of 12I, Krishna of 12D, Vishwasri of 12D, Bharanidharan of 12G, Sivashankaran of 12G, Dinesh of 12F, Divya Priya of 12B, Kavya of 12C, Jayasri of 12H, Pushpa Darshini of 12H, Priyadarshini of 12C, Supriya of 12C, Valarmadi of 12B, Shivanika of 12C. Shankari of 8C, Vasundhara Devi of 8C, Lingeshwar, Sasidharan, Yuvaraj, Mohammad Faisal, Praveen, Jashwin, Vignesh, Tarani, Raghavi, Bhunesh Kumar, Deepak, Karthik, Jayavarman of 10th F, Priyadarshini of 10th K, Nandana of 10th K, Sabita of 11th I, Babadharani, Devi Bala, Bhuvana, Kavya of 10th K, Tasleen of 10th K, Pargavi of 12th B, Nandini of 12th H, Bhuvana of 12th A, Kavya of 10th K, Tasleen of 10th K, Bhargavi of 12th B, Nandini of 12th H, Logeshwaran of 12I, Rajesh of 12I, Fayaz of 12th J, Mohan Raj of 12th J, Mritika of 8th B, Nikita of 8th H, Denesh of 9th K. Kritika 9th A, Punnamal 9th A, Aline Jeshwa 7th A, Sanjana 7th A, Anbu Selvan, Vishwa, Sweta, Kritika, Metra, Hema Kumar, Deepika, Bhavya Sri, Pavitra, Shakti Priya, Srija, Anita, Vishali. Sandhya Lakshmi of 7th K, Suchi of 7th K,
Rajesh Rinva S of 7G, Sabrish M 7G, Prashant S 7J, Daniel 7J, Abhishek Kurbian 7I, Roshan Kumar, Rutrapriyan, Jagan S, Yalini D, Tirumugilan S, Sudarshan M, Nitish Kumar U, Ashwini S, Dhanashri S, Surendra G, Deepika R, Tulasi S, Deepika S, Janani J K, Ashifa A, Girija A, Kiran P, Sona S, Kavya Priya K, Mohana Priya V, Narmada B, Shahana Firdos S, Akash S, Devakumar S, Hema S. Geetu Jayashri D of 11C, Praveen S 11C, Vishnu Prasad S 11C, Pritika S 11C, Yuvarani V 11C, Giridharan Raj, Gokula Raman K, Jayalakshmi M, Lavanya S, Harini P, Pavitra V, Avarna V, Divya Bhardi R, Kavya C, Priya Raju P, Kirti Vasan A, Sundara Vadivelan M, Ashwin C and Mukesh S. Now our principal is going to honor Mr. Sri Vaitulingam, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha.
We proudly announce that our school student B. Ishwar of 9th standard had won gold medal in national level 500 meters roller skating competition and silver medal in 1000 meters roller skating. He has been already awarded with a cash prize of rupees 31,500. Now he will be honored by our chief guest. Our Sasta Chandralekha of class 8 will be honored and rewarded with 1 gram of gold coin for winning bronze medal in national level table tennis. It's our pride to honor our NCC NCC awardees who were awarded for their best performance during the Independence Day celebration. Cadet Shivani B of 12th B. She was awarded Chief Minister Gold Medal by our Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Narayanasamy during the Independence Day celebration on August 15, 2017. Next, the Cadet Arul Jennifer of 12th H. Cadet Mohammed Anif of 11th I. Cadet Niveda of 11th H. Cadet Pooja Sri of 10th K. And Cadet Satish Gayak of 10th E. sir, and congratulations to the prize winners.
What is the most beautiful thing on earth? It's the nature and the innocence of kids. Our young buds here are to display the scene of a garden where the butterflies, bees, flowers, plants, creepers dance to the melody of the cool breeze. Here comes the beautiful flowers from garden.
சின்ன சின்ன பூக்கள், புன்னகை தேசத்து சிற்றரசர்கள், செழித்து வளர்ந்த மரங்கள், ஜீவகாற்றின் ஊற்றுகள், அழகு தோட்டத்தின் அற்புத காட்சி நம் கண்முன்னே நடனமாய் இதோ.
our daily life is very important. What if the sports is performed as a dance?
Wow, it is like having a soft ice cream with a caramel crunch chopped on it.
Oh, what a comparison. Now let's see the performance of Sports March with dance.
தொலைக்காட்சி செல்பேசி இவற்றில் மூழ்கினோம். விளையாட்டு உடற்பயிற்சி மறந்தோம். நோய்களை சுமந்து திரிகிறோம். விளையாடுவோம், விளையாடச் செய்வோம் என்பதை வெளிப்படுத்த விளையாட்டு நடனம் இதோ உங்களுக்காக.
That's the next performance. Now we will be seeing the Oriental dance. Let's move forward to a different dance, a fusion of classical music and Western beats. What rhyme of taps and charming melody and a marvelous harmony.
இறைக்க இறைக்க ஒரு மணற்கிணறி போல இசை இனிக்க இனிக்க இன்பம் திகட்ட திகட்ட வருகிறது கிழக்கத்திய நடனம். வாருங்கள் கண்டுகளிக்கலாம்.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि धड़ं कुतक तक दद तंगड़ तक 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 ता जम तक जम जम ता तकिट ता दत जम तक जम ता ततणम ता ततरम ता तकिट ता तंगड़ तक तक ता तरित ता धन ता ऋण ता दिन ता दजम ततणम ततरम तकदिन तकिट तक तंगड़ तक ता दिन ता तरित तक ता जम दिन तत जम तत जम तम तकिट तन तत तंगड़ तक तरित दिन तरित ता जम दिन तक तकिट जम जम तकिट तक जम ता जम जम तकिट ता जम तरित ता जम तरित ता तदन तरित ता तरित ता तरित ता धन ता जम तरित ता धन तत तंगड़ तरित ता तरित ता जम दिन तत जम नम तक तकिट जम ता दिन तुम नम तत तंगड़ तक दित धन तता तरित धन तता जन तता दिन तरित ता धन तता तदित धन धन तत तंगड़ तक ता तदिन तरित ता तदिन तरित ता तदिन तरित ता तदिन तरित ता जम तरित ता तंगड़ तरित दिन तरित ता
Milan. आज से ताल मिला हो, आज से ताल मिला, आज से ताल मिला हो, आज से ताल मिला।
That's indeed an enthralling performance. Being fit with sports in our daily life is very important. What if the sports is performed as a dance?
Wow, it is like having a soft ice cream with caramel crunch chopped on it.
Oh, what a comparison. Now let's see the performance of sports smash with dance.
தொலைக்காட்சி செல்பேசி இவற்றில் மூழ்கினோம், விளையாட்டு உடற்பயிற்சி மறந்தோம், நோய்களை சுமந்து திரிகிறோம், விளையாடுவோம் விளையாடச் செய்வோம் என்பதை வெளிப்படுத்த விளையாட்டு நாடனம் இதோ உங்களுக்காக.
crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. I live my life. It's a crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. I live my life. It's a crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. I live my life. It's a crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. 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 I'm yours tonight, yours tonight. Let's do it right. From Zanzibar to Manila, I feel so crazy. I'm yours tonight, yours tonight. Just come and jump with tequila. From Zanzibar to Manila, I'm yours tonight, yours tonight. I live my life. It's a crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. I live my life. It's a crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. It's a crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. I live my life. It's a crazy, crazy night. Let me hold your body tight. Let's do it right. 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 Just one more drop of tequila. From Zanzibar to Manila, I feel so crazy. I'm yours tonight, yours tonight. Just one more drop of tequila. From Zanzibar